Be honest. How many goals have you set that sound amazing and then disappear after 2 days? Fitness goals, New Year's goals, money goals, life goals. You're not failing because you're lazy, you're just failing because you have the wrong approach. And today I'm going to break down realistic ways to achieve those goals. If you want goals that will stick, then this video is for you. Keep watching. First things first, we need to be starting ridiculously small. Don't aim too high or big way too fast. Don't say I'm gonna go to the gym 6 days a week. Instead, let's start with maybe 1 or 2 days a week. Small goals do feel unimpressive, but they are powerful and they do build discipline. Starting with an easy and realistic goal may feel too easy, but that goal will also still survive and you will beat that goal. Next, we are going to be trying to not focus on the goals, but focus on the systems to get to those goals. Goals are just the outcomes. The systems is what gets you there. You want to get fit? The system isn't do a workout. The system is do 30 squats per day. You want to deep clean your room? The system is not just clean your room. The system is mop the floor, clean the drawer out. Next, we need to remove the need for motivation. Motivation is unreliable, so just stop relying on it. Instead, decide when you'll do the task, where you'll do the task, and what will trigger you to do the task. Example would be, after I clean up, I'm going to do a workout. And there's no thinking about it, just action. This is a super important one. This is going to be track your inputs and not just your result. Instead of tracking money, track your behavior with it. Instead of tracking the weight you lose, track how many days you're in the gym. Instead of tracking your grades, track how many days you study. You can't always control your results, but you can control your input and your effort. Tracking the work that you put in will also help you to stay consistent. Next is going to be getting comfortable with failure. You will mess up along the lines a lot. It is normal. Everyone messes up. Everyone makes mistakes. 1 or 2, 3, or maybe even 4 bad days don't matter, but quitting does. Success is not about being perfect. Next, we have aligning your goals with your real life. What can you still do on your worst week? If your goal only works when you're living the best of the best of the best of your life, then it's not realistic. You need to make your goals achievable even when you're sad, even when you're busy, even when you have the busiest schedule of your life. They need to be realistically achievable or else they're not realistic. And that's just going to make it harder for yourself, because if you're making unrealistic goals knowing that you're too busy to complete them, you're just going to be letting yourself down. Next, we need to start designing our environment. So your environment is everything. If I say I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow, let me lay out my clothes tonight so that when I wake up in the morning, it's already ready. If I have a hard time with distractions, we're going to put those distractions out of reach. If I can't sleep at night because I'm scrolling through my phone all night, let's put my phone on the other side of the room. The best tip is to just make the bad habits inconvenient. Shift from your goals to your identity. So instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I'm someone who trains every day. I'm someone who goes to the gym every day to lose weight. If you create that new identity, then it will create behaviors that fit into that new identity. You just need to believe that that's who you already are. Review and adjust. Go over what worked and what didn't. Flexible systems will improve you over time. And here's the hard truth. Achieving goals are boring and repetitive, and that's why these steps are going to help you. If these tips helped you, please hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what goals you're actually going to complete using these steps in 2026. See you next time.